Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host, Jay, and today I want to say, first and foremost, Happy New Year's to everybody around the world. Today, a happy, blessed, beautiful, bullish new year, hopefully in Bitcoin, because we do have some FUD, but the FUD goes along with the bull market. In my opinion, we need some FUD. We need to shake people out at the same time we're bringing people in. That's what I want to see. Right now, Bitcoin is $29,251. What? If you would have told me that was going to be the price at the year end day of 2020, I would be like, you're tripping, you're lying, I don't believe you, especially in March when it was $3,000. I should have went all in back then, but I didn't. But I want to talk to you guys a little bit about my outlook on the altcoins, of course, still, and of course, my outlook on the whole Bitcoin thing in general and the whole FUD with the market. So when it comes to the FUD, the XRP, the Tether FUD, and all that stuff, I like to see that. I like to see that there's something that kind of gets things going. But Google searches for Bitcoin are picking up, which is good to see. Help your peoples get into Bitcoin. We got to do that word of mouth thing. Help me get this channel to 2,000 subscribers. Going to be doing a nice giveaway. Then help me get this channel to 3,000 subscribers. Going to be doing a lot of giveaway. Let me know what you guys want to hear from me in the new year. Anything that I can help you guys out with. You know, I'm here for y'all and to make sure that we make money and we don't lose money together. So the price of Bitcoin looking pretty nice. You can see since the last time I put up a video, it's been holding this line right here. So that's pretty cool. We're creating another new point of support. Hopefully this level holds up as support. If not, it might come down to the 27 level or even the 26 level, and that would still be fine because we're still up super high. We're just going up at a crazy rate at this point, and some pullbacks will be normal, and that's good to see. So going into 2021, if things stay the same, that's just looking pretty great. Next, I want to look at the total market cap. The total market cap is actually at resistance right now as of recording this video on the last day of the year. It's at resistance. So once we pass this, we're hitting another blue sky breakout in Bitcoin. So that's actually pretty cool. And I'll draw this resistance line right there. That's our green line. Let me go back and make sure it's on point, because if so, we might just be crossing it right now. Make sure I'm zoomed in real good and I get it right at the tip top. So we actually might just be crossing it right today. If I go to the 4-hour, yeah, we're right at it right now as of recording this video. So it's been hitting as resistance and we're crossing it. So we're hitting more bullish things going on in this market. So that's pretty cool. What about the market cap without the altcoins? Because in my last video, I talked about that one. I think that one's pretty important. I mean, without Bitcoin, the market cap without Bitcoin, and that's this one right here, sitting up at this 0.5 level, getting a nice another rejection at this level. Okay, let's take it. I'll take it. Let's bounce before we go back up. Give me a chance to accumulate some more altcoins, because in the end, I do believe that we're going to cross this green line and we're going to have about a doubling of the altcoin market cap at some point in time. Ethereum's going to be a big part of that. Polkadot coins are going to be a big part of that. So do your research, get your portfolio ready on those coins and stuff like that. So I just want to keep it real quick. Say Happy New Year's. Shout out to everybody that's been really rocking with me and supporting me on this channel. I appreciate it. Really keeps me going at times when I feel like I don't feel like making a video. I'm like, you know what? People really rock with me. I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna put some information together. I'll make sure I give them something that's gonna help them out and help us all level up in this crypto game. So if you want to do that, check out the website, everythingcurrencycrypto.com. Cool stuff for the people who get in early with all the coming soons on there. Get in soon with the now with the coming soons, and you're gonna have some perks and some good stuff when I get everything up and going, and that's a promise. So appreciate everybody for watching this channel. Got some new stuff coming to the channel in the new year. Hope you guys are excited. Hope you guys have a happy new year, a blessed 2021, positive energy everywhere. Till next time, peace.